Beat the summer scorching heat and join us as we explore the rock pools of the San Gabriel Mountains. We will show you step by step how to get to this hidden paradise of the East Fork River. So we're at the trailhead of Bridge to Nowhere, but we're going to take you down a secret path to the right here, and we're going to take you to a river rock pool paradise where you can soak in the 55-degree water in scorching heat and find retreat.
You don't have to hike the Bridge to Nowhere to find a rock pool paradise.
So we've walked an eighth of a mile, took a shortcut down a hill, through a small meadow and riverbed, and we're at the rock pools. This is it right now with no sun on it, but boy is this going to be beautiful. So we're going to journey down this river and show you a series of rock pools that you can discover all within about a half mile. In the middle of the scorching heat of the summer, you have about two retreats, the ocean and the rock pools. This is where you want to be. There was a mini water slide we all decided to go down, and actually it was a blast. Let's see how Heidi does it. Ready? So Brian decided to go down backwards. Here he goes. Yeah, way to go.
Why is it when you get a beach ball out, you gotta have a contest? If you're wondering how we got here, we're just following the East Fork River downstream and hoping to discover more rock pools.
As we continued our journey down the stream, we were surrounded by beautiful scenery, towering trees, and the mesmerizing sound of the river. It was amazing. So he's trying to acclimate. We'll see how good he does. Look at that expression. It's cold, guys. It's about, what, 50?
I don't know, but it's cold.
It's cold. Such a nice swim hole right here. Oh, man. Yeah, this is awesome. There's something super elaborate that you need to see that's coming along in this movie later on, and it took a lot of work to get this done. You got to check it out. At this point of our journey, we realized we were going the wrong way on this river the whole time. The last 2 years heading towards the Bridge to Nowhere and going 10 miles? Look how easy this was, and look at this place.
It's so hard to believe that this is near LA. This is more like a tropical paradise.
This part of the river had a total tropical vibe to me. It was my favorite part. The water was the most pure aqua blue, and it had a deep end of about 4 to 5 feet as we got closer to the end. Someone had built a rock wall with wood and tarp, and made a great place to hang out. Oh man, did we find the spot. This is gorgeous. What came next was so interesting, and we knew it was time to go. We had totally saturated ourselves with this tropical feel and vibe, but when we ran into this, it was just so awesome. This family had spent at least 2 days setting up their temporary campsite with everything they needed. They were friendly, offered us water, and even to hang out. It was so cool. And I thought, what a perfect place to hang out during the 4th of July weekend. They had it made. So glad we ran into them.
Until your next adventure, explore nature with us.
One bite at a time.
This was a perfect haven escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, where all your worries are left behind and fun was the only thing on the agenda.
So if you're planning on coming here, there's a link in the description with directions and navigations from all trails. Just bring your food, family, and fun, and plan on a chill vibe. You're going to love it here. We did. See you next time.